Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. What I'm going to do breaks two rules. Number one, never use glue or finishes that are older than a year. I've had this type on glue for a while. I don't know how long, but for a while. It is still fluid. Looks good, smells good. This is Type Bond Original, not Type Bond 2, not Type Bond 3, not Type Bond Super Duper Duper. Just old fashioned Type Bond. That's the first thing you should never do is use old glue. Second thing is you really shouldn't glue anything in temperatures under 60, 65 degrees. It is like what? Oh, that thermometer says 48. That thermometer says 46. So, and technically there's a third rule is that you should never let your shop go below 50, 55, because it can ruin even new glue. So we're going to do a glue test. A little piece of pine off of a little piece of pine. They fit perfectly together because they came from the same piece and they had been surface planed. So a little bit of glue. And then we're going to move it around a little bit. Left, right. Spread it around. Take it off. Spin it around. And put it back on. Now I'm going to leave a little piece sticking out at the end so we can come in and tap on it to see how well the bond is. And all I'm going to do is spring clamp it. Technically, I could just leave it glued to itself. But we'll put two spring clamps on it. And we are going to leave this sit 24 hours. We come back to it. See how it does. So, yeah, I mean, it's one of those things where glues and finishes are affected by extremes in temperature. And if you really want to know what your favorite products can endure, you can contact the company. They will have that information, storage temperatures, etc., and use temperatures. But I know from experience that you should not store glue anywhere where it will drop below 45 to 50. I would say 50 is sort of my goal. So that's about it. I hope this helps someone. And remember, like, give it the old thumbs up, subscribe and share. Head out to your shop. Check on your glues. Find out if you've got old glue that is no more good and toss it properly. And if you have to, I've seen this done. You can build a cabinet to store glues and finishes in, and just a small 40-watt light bulb, old-fashioned incandescent light bulb, in the bottom of that under a protected shelf can keep that cabinet warm enough so that everything is at like 70 degrees. Walter out.